Examples of symbolism. The former PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee was not corrupt. So here first we have to write the second words, first letter in capital is C, and here you can write P or A. So here small a, and here not is there, so here it is negation capital C A. Sunil was a best batsman, so here capital B and Sunil's S, small s. Now next is the all farmers are hard workers. So here all farmers are hard workers. This is the A type of proposition. So here you have to remember the format of the A. So given anything, then if it is dash, it is given anything. If they are farmers, they are dash means hard workers. So given any X, now you have to write X. Then X is the farmer. Then they are hard workers. So here X is written. Then Fx. This is the middle symbol, and this is the H and X. Next is the no industrialist is emotional. So here no means it is a E type of proposition. So here given anything, if they are industrialist, then they are no emotional. Then given any X, then if X is industrialist, then X is not emotional. So here X, first you have to write, then the I of the industrialist, I, then X, then the small, then the middle symbol. Then here no or not is present, then it's negation, so negation symbol, then capital E, and then X. In this format you have to solve the symbolism questions. Next is the reduce into logical form and qualify into logical symbols. So Ram killed Ravan. This is not in a logical sentence, so you have to first convert it into the logical sentence. Ram is a person who killed Ravan. So here capital R and then small r. In symbolism you have written the answer. Then few scientists did not get married. So first you have to write few means few. Now few, and here not means it is a I preposition, some not. So first you have to convert it into the I preposition. Some scientists are those who get married. So in the I preposition, the general symbolism, then it is a thing such that it is a scientist and it is got married. Then X is exist. X is a scientist and X got married. So here exist symbol, then small x, then scientist SX, and so here a dot is present and MX. MLAs are never serious about help issues in the rural areas. So here never means it is a E preposition. You have to convert it into the E preposition. No MLAs are serious about help issue in the rural areas. So in E format you have to write that answer. Given anything, if they are MLAs, then they are not serious about help issue in a rural areas. Given any X, if X is MLAs, then X are not serious about help issue in rural areas. Answer is X, then MX, its middle symbol, and then RX. Every fisherman needs compensation from the government. So here every means it's a all, a type of proposition. So convert it into the logical sentence. All fishermen are those who need compensation from the government. You have to write it into the symbolism format. Given anything, if they are fishermen, they need compensation from government. If any given any X, then X is dash, whatever given in sentence, fishermen, then X need compensation from the government. Then given any X means you have to write here X, then F small x, middle symbol, then G X. In this way you have to solve the symbolism answer. Next is the apposition of proposition. By this diagram you can remember the following pairs. First you have to write A, E, I, O. In this format you have to write A, E, I, O. Then A means A to E is contrary. Then opposite of it, here you have to write subcontrary. Then subaltern, subaltern, and the cross is contradictory. You have to write the contrary, contradictory. So contradictory means A. If A is sentence, if A proposition is there, then you have to convert it into the O. O is given, then into A. I is given, then I into E. E into, and E is given, the E you have to convert into I. So diagram is very important. So all advocates are smart. So here A. Now contradictory means A. In the question there is given that convert the sentence into contradictory terms. So first you have to identify the proposition of the sentence. So A we have to convert it into the O. So O means some not. So some advocates are not smart. No writers are actors. So here it is no means E. E you have to convert it into the I. So I means some writers are actors. Then it's contrary. So in diagram contrary means A you have to convert it into the E. So here all girls are lazy. So here A into E means no girls are lazy. Subcontrary, some politicians are actors. It is I. You have to convert it into the O. So some politicians are not actors. Then it's subaltern opposition. So here A is given, then its conversion will be in I. I is given, then into the A. E is given, then its conversion is into the O. O is given, then its conversion into the E. This is the concept of apposition of proposition.